Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have an incredibly exciting video for you. We're going to show you how you can easily create amazing animations using the AI tool Mango AM. AI technology has made animation easier than ever, and we're here to teach you how to use it. Before we dive into the details, let's take a look at a few examples of animations made with AI to see just how quick and easy it can be. These are some examples of animations created with this AI. Alright, let's get started. The first step in creating an animation is writing a script. We use ChatGPT to write the script. Go to the ChatGPT website. To write a prompt, just give a simple explanation of the video you want. I want to create a comedy video for adults. So, I'll ask ChatGPT. Write a script for my 1-minute animation video. Comedy style, characters, a businessman, a young female nurse, animation theme. The engineer is talking to the nurse in the park. Different walking and sitting poses. Write all romantic dialogues between the man and woman. Now we have a script with all the details. Once the script is ready, it's time to get the voice for it. We use the AI tool 11 Labs to generate the voice for the script. This AI is very easy to use and comprehensive. I've previously explained how to create an account on the site. From the Voices section, you can enter the library and choose a voice that fits your character. Then, input the dialogues and download the final voice. So far, we've got the basics of our animation ready. Before we move on to creating the animation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you can be the first to watch our new videos. Now, let's move on to the Mango AM software. Mango AM is a powerful AI tool that helps you create amazing animations. In my previous video, I created the final scene of the animation with this software. You can watch the previous video from the link above. First, let's go through the installation step by step. To install it, go to Google and search for Mango Animator. Go to the website and click on the download option from this section. You can download the animation software from the bottom of the page. After downloading, click on the software and easily install it on your system. Click on New Project and open a new project. Don't be intimidated by the program's appearance. Trust me, it's very easy to use. You need to create an account in the program. You can create an account with your email address. Now, you need to import the voices we created earlier into the program. I created the voices as a complete voice file. To separate the voices on the timeline, click on the appropriate spot and click Split. It's that easy to separate our voices. Next, we need to add a green background to the screen. From the top timeline bar, select the background. Click on the green plus sign to open the background menu. You can easily choose any background you like. For this video, I need a green background. Now, from the side column, select Roles. Choose your desired character. Some characters require upgrading the program to PRO, which you can access by paying. Here, you can see various character movements. Simply choose the movement that fits the voice and click on it. Adjust the character size to fit the screen. On the timeline bar, use the 2 yellow dots on the character line to adjust the video length. Right-click here and click Add. Again, choose the character and movement that fits the voice and repeat the previous steps. Do this for each character in your animation, and you've created your animated video. To download the animation, click on Publish from the top bar. In the new window, you have various options for video format and image definition. In the free mode, you can only use 576p. This quality is not low at all and can be used easily for your video. Finally, choose the storage location and press the public button to save the animation in the designated place. To make our animation more attractive, we need a beautiful background. We use the Leonardo website to design a suitable background. After entering this site, you can easily create a suitable background for yourself by writing the descriptions in your script and even animate the background, if desired. Finally, we import all the videos into CapCut. Here, you should first arrange the backgrounds and add the characters to the image. I set the video size to 9:16. Now, adjust each character's size to fit the background and use the chroma key option to remove the green color. To make it more attractive, you can add transitions between scenes, background sounds, or suitable background music, and use audio and visual effects. You can even add subtitles to make the video more engaging. And that's our final video. I hope you enjoy watching it.
Hi there. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it really is. Do you come here often?
Yeah, almost every day. I love it here. How about you? Taking a break?
Yeah, just a short break from work. Working at the hospital can be really tough sometimes.
Really? It must be hard, but you seem like you love what you do.
I do. Helping others gives me energy.
You know, I always think life is too short, and we should enjoy every moment.
I completely agree. The small moments of happiness can create the biggest memories.
And I think this is one of those moments. Look, this might sound strange, but I think you're special. From the first time I saw you, I couldn't stop thinking about you.
Really? That's so sweet of you. I don't know what to say.
I just wanted to ask, would you marry me?
Wow. Yes, I'd love to. Wait, where are you going?
I'm heading towards happiness.
Oh, there he goes again. We need to get him back to the center.
What? He's a patient at the mental health center?
Yes, but don't worry. He's always falling in love with someone.
Thank you for staying with us till the end. Make sure to like, leave your comments, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos. Until the next video, happy creating!